called?
Serenelife
Serenelife
sauna,
sauna?
portable in-house sauna.
Okay, portable. Okay, all right. I cannot wait to test it out. Okay, guys, follow me. All right, put it out. Yep.
The wall.
What you put into the wall, right?
This box here, power box.
All right. Nice. I'm exciting. I'm so exciting. Wow. It's nice. Okay. Okay, order equipment.
Oh, that's the chair.
Oh, that's a chair, yes.
Okay.
That's a
Serenelife.
instruction, right? Instruction.
Yep.
Alright. Cannot wait to go for this. Okay, got the pole right there to make a stand up. Nice. That's the pad for the foot.
Anytime.
Get your feet up, right?
Right.
It's a chair. Put that in. Okay, it's in right now. Alright, looking good. Cannot wait to get in there. Looking good now. Alright.
You want to crank it up, right? I'm not finished programming.
Okay, it's hot now. Time to get in. Alright. Can I get in? Okay, get in. Oh, now it's warm. Yes. Oh, it's hot. Oh, yes.
Turn the foot pad.
There we go. That's so cute though.
I need you to move your hand forward.
Tell your mom get this one. Hello guys. See what I'm testing out, okay? So now. Cute. Okay, I'm cooking myself right now. See, I let you know. I will let you know how this is working, okay? Alright. Okay, I'm in the sauna room right now. Just cook the fat, steam the fat out. See?
Okay. You're in your brand new Serenelife infrared sauna. Set up, on, heat is on. You're inside, feeling the temperature. How is it?
It feels warm up now. I try to get sweat. I have to wait for a little bit, but I feel warm up more temperature right now.
Yeah, right now I think you're at 90.
Oh,
Hold on, let me check the temperature. You're at 91, so you got a
wait until.
ways to go before you reach that
All right.
140. I think that's the highest.
Okay, I'll be back. I'll be back. Check with you later, okay?
Okay.
I've been here for half hour. I get sweat. Look at my face. Can you see my?
Yeah.
You see sweat?
Oh, I can. Let
I
me
get
see.
sweat right now.
Yep, we can
See
see that. Yep.
Yeah, I get sweat right now. This is day one, okay?
Mm.
So I'm going to go ahead and get off and go take shower, and I'm going to do 3 times a week. See how I feel. I know I've been to sauna before in the gym. Professional sauna. This one, temporary sauna is better than nothing. But COVID-19, and you stay right here and take what you need. That's what I got. This is 225 something. It's worth it, guys. Go get it. It's worth. I'm telling you, it's worth. But I'm the first time for me today. It won't be first time for me tomorrow and tomorrow. So I'm gonna do. All right, guys, go get it because when you back pain and leg pain, fat, burn it out. Everything, burn it out. Get this out from your body. So especially my fat, my back pain, you guys. All right, thank you for watching and follow me. And Crazy Rich Cooking. Follow me. I will share more and more. Crazy Rich Cooking, guys.
YouTube.
YouTube. I have a lot. And Crazy Rich Cooking Facebook too. Tell them.
Right. Crazy Rich Cooking. Just type that in. You'll see us.
No,
You'll find her
I said Facebook.
on Facebook, Crazy Rich Cooking, and then YouTube channel, Crazy Rich Cooking.
Yeah.
Crazy Rich Cooking.
Come on, come next to me. I'll show you. I have this sweat right now. Come next. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. Oh my God. Look at I'm sweat. Look at that. I'm sweat, guys. Look at that. And I love it. Look at I sweat. You see the sweat? I love it. Go get it, guys. Okay. Follow Crazy with Cooking at YouTube, Crazy with Cooking at Facebook. So I'm gonna share with you guys all this and that, and you can't get better than this. Thank you for watching, and I see you later. Bye.